Could you please
What are
hurry
you
up?
waiting
We're
for?
leaving!
Let's go!
Hope it'll be easier than the last time.
These seats could really need some suspension.
Time to let them go.
Egg collection time, team. Alien eggs. The company wants them. Don't ask why. Find them, stow them in Molly, and return. Simple.
Spread her down! Stay clear of the spillage! Never felt better.
Sorry, little bug. Your own fault for being full of goodness.
Time to get busy, miners. Swarm detected.
Time to pay Molly a visit. Molly is on the way.
Combat positions. The swarm is here.
Time to find Molly. Where's that damn tin?
Let's stick together from now on. Let there be light. Why are you shooting at me? Enemy go down.
The stream of incoming enemies is practically eradicated, and you're still alive. Well done.
Ready to blow! Let's order a supply book. Don't waste your ammunition!
Took out a loot box. I'm totally loaded. Lights up.
Molly, come here! I need the mule right here, right now. Die, Brundlefly! Took the sting out of the stingtail! Good times! Die, worthless crystal! Worthless, but fun to destroy. got it right between the eyes!
Thanks. I owe you one, brother. Lighting up! From A to D, skipping B and C.
Move your tin ass over here and hurry, please. You want something done right? You gotta do it yourself.
Inhibitor field up! Your history!
Shoot to kill! Look what I found! It's overheated!
Lighting!
I called for the mule. Time, fat boy. I have to make a deposit. Molly, over here! I want to punch the guy in R&D who programmed Molly. Yes. Just take your sweet time, old lady. I've got all day. I need the damn minecart on legs. Where is it?
All eggs collected. Management will
Maybe
be
we're not
pleased.
gonna die
Escape pod
after
button is activated. A secondary objective has been achieved. Bonus will be transferred to your accounts on mission completion. We're sending in the drop pod. Head for LZ.
I ordered a resupply.
Supplies are on the way.
Follow
Drop pod
money.
arrived. Mule is returning to LZ.
Lloyd is up.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
Resupply pod is here. Everybody collect ammunition.
Ready to kill some more
Grabbing ammo.
crates. Yeah, ammo taken.
Getting more ammo.
Last dwarf in the pod pays for the first round.
The Mule has docked. Initiating launch sequence. Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Lighting.
Stingtail down!
Pull back to the drop pod.
Let's shake, rattle, and
Good work. We're pulling you back in.
Daddy needs a new pair of steel-toed boots.
This is the right stuff. Come on, guys. We're leaving.
Let's hit it.
Does the pod always make that sound?
Pull yourself together!
Let's go!
We've set our targets on several deep wells of liquid morkite, so we're sending in a refinery for you to fill. Set the whole thing up, get it cranking, and let's pump those deposits dry. Time to build some pipelines, Roughnecks.
Let there be light.
Ordering pump jack.
Pump jack requested and is inbound.
I die a little inside every time I have to take out a loot box.
Connect the pipelines to the pump jack and let's get the extraction started. Lloyd,
totally loaded.
Morkite is here.
Where's the mule? All right. We didn't bring it with us this time. Send the pump jack, please.
Pump jack launched. Stay clear from the impact zone.
Zip.
I really can't use this for anything.
Lining up.
Took out a loot bug. You shouldn't need precious minerals. It will get you killed.
Don't got room for more.
Stand your ground! Give no quarter!
Flares up.
Can't carry anymore.
Right here.
I'm wondering if fighting bugs and moving dirt is the best way to make a living. Pipes up! Thing's about to go boom! Suck on this, you freaking nature! Pipe lead! This never gets old! One down, more to go.
That's it. Back's full.
Pipe goes here. construction here. Out of ammo! That hit the spot.
Bad news, team. A pack of Praetorians have diverted towards you. Get ready.
Loot bug looted!
Livid Praetorians attacking.
I can't carry anymore. Take that! I'm doing my part. R&D did good with the pipe riding. Let's show them some pain!
The wave is petering out. Wipe out the rest and get on with it.
Damn drills. Let's get them more kites.
Request accepted. Stand clear. Pump jack inbound.
Pesticide coming out. Pump jack's here. Let's get it hooked up to the refinery. I can't feel my beard! Help! Help! They've got I could use a hand. Thanks for saving me.
I'm your friend. Let's keep it that way.
provide some better equipment.
My place. This should work.
Covering fire! Should have left my nose on the bloody spice rig.
Oh, I'm outta here.
We're gonna make it. Done diddly done. As good as it gets. Work hard, party hard. Maybe I can do a 360.
Clunk, clunk, clunky dunk.
Why do we even bother walking? And another one.
Lumber at work.
If only Deep Rock Galactic could develop a way to automate this process.
Pump jack connected to refinery. Second pump jack connected and ready to pump. You're doing well.
Watch me go. Here I come!
It's ready!
Big swarm detected. Lock up and get ready.
Pipe ready!
All lights read green. Pipelines and pump jacks are all in place, and the liquid morkite is waiting. Return to the refinery and start up the pump sequence. The swarm is upon you.
Inhibitor field up.
didn't bring a mule. Well, that was stupid.
Thank you, brother. You're a true friend.
Hostiles are backing down. Finish them.
No ammo left! Watching your blind silent thing.
Party one
Nicely
down.
done, team. You secured yourself a nice bonus.
Here I go.
The liquid morkite is being extracted. Refinery and all pump jacks are working at full capacity. Be warned, the noise will draw in the locals, so stay on your toes and do what you can to protect and maintain the equipment. Incoming swarm, show them your dwarves. Supply drop has been ordered and is on the way.
Inventory. Can we order a supply drop like really soon?
Pump sequence at 25%. Liquid morkite is flowing to the refinery like honey.
How do I get off?
The extraction has stopped. Pipeline's in need of maintenance. Pipeline functional again. However, we still have malfunctions in the system. Well done. All pipelines are fixed, and the refinery is purring like a kitten once more. We got bugs, lots of them.
Bunch of slowpokes! Ha! Squash 'em!
Pump sequence 50%. Keep all systems running, and we're done in no time.
Grabbing him.
Slow down, please!
Ammo taken.
The pipelines are leaking. Get on it. Get them fixed.
Gotta go slow!
When Molly's around, she's a pain in the butt. When she's not,
I owe you
I
one,
really
brother.
miss her.
Flares up!
Make another posse.
This pipeline is fixed, but you need to clear all malfunctions in order for the refinery to run.
Loot bug eliminated! I'm the king of pipes!
All pipelines fixed and operational again.
I love grinding.
Pump sequence at 75%. Keep the pipelines running at all costs. Bugs, get ready.
So much better than walking! One down!
Extraction has stopped. Must be due to jammed pipelines. Get it fixed.
Axe out!
Pipeline repaired, but other pipelines are still malfunctioning.
Fun ride!
The extraction of liquid morkite is running again. Keep up the good work. We'll be done in no time. Keep on fighting. More bugs coming your way.
Well, I think we're actually doing alright so far.
You stuck your webs into my business for the last time.
Look at me, I'm Stony Rock! Smooth operator!
Throw grenade!
Oh, don't die!
Here, have some extinction! Enemy, go down! That's loud!
cargo rocket is returning to orbit. We're sending in the drop pod to get you out. Hang tight.
Let there be light! Think you can kill me? Well, think again! I need more ammo!
Drop pod departing in T-minus 3 minutes.
Not again.
This is fun!
Out of fuel for the drill.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 2 minutes.
Light!
Could the rest of you please hurry?
Good work. We're pulling you back in.
You!
In recognition of your performance, your security level has been upgraded.